Right, you can see there's a little bit of black stuff here that's coming through the faucet, and that's what it's filling up the tub. And Lynn put some bleach in here earlier to try to get some of it out, but that's my... So here we go. So this is, first you pop this off with a little flathead screwdriver, and that just pops off. And this is, the water is all turned off, of course. This one I've already taken off. So that is part number, I think I see 91118 for this handle. Handle comes off here. Pull that out. Save the screw. This comes out like that. All right, and then inside of here, there's another screw. So if you look straight down in here, I don't know if we can do this, but we'll try. So if you look way down in there, there's a Phillips head. Get that set back up. So Phillips head. Reach in. Comes on, it's got this little tooth that sits in there and actually turns it. And then this piece comes up. You need a little pliers. I already loosened mine. So this comes on, done. Which I cleared out. So the plumber's putty was all here. I cleared most of that out. Okay. Then inside here, down in here, there is a piece that is like this. So inside there are these two teeth. This one came from that side, so that's way down in here. So this has to come up first. So when you look inside right now, you can see the teeth that you spin, and you can see the cartridge down inside there. So all I'm going to do is take my needle nose, go inside on the edge, and spin. There it comes. Okay, now this is part number, this piece that goes in here, and mine's cracks right there, so I need to get another one. But that is on light 93366, Moen 93366. Not sure what I found. I think if you put this screw back in, so you put this one back in, then you can get some good grip on the screw. Like that. Wow, that one is in there really tight. Well, heck, I don't know what the problem with that one is. Jeezo, Melizo. How could it be so difficult? There it goes. Holy camoly, that was hard to get out. Wow. Okay, so it was in like this. It was in this way, and my water hole's right here. So it has to go back in this way. All right, I have two new ones. So this is the Danko Moen 6S71 hot cold T4191B. Whatever. Looks good. And I want it to go this way. I want it to go this way so it all fits. So this fits the inside here, like this. And then turn it. Okay. Ah, come on now. Okay. I just fucking break it. I think I just broke it.